Hello friends, today's question is, in the GD, can we point out a mistake mentioned by some other candidate, or we should only strictly focus on our points and we should not care about the other person's facts or whatever he may have said? Now imagine, when does a discussion happen? A discussion will only happen when your views do not match with the other's views, and only then the discussion will happen, right? If there is a differences of views, only then the discussion will happen. So you don't have to bother so much about it. You just behave as if you are discussing with your friends, sitting in a canteen or something. That's what the GTO briefs you like. Okay. So if you find that somebody has mentioned a wrong fact, which you think that this fact is not correct, and you had read somewhere and you think this is to be corrected, you must correct. That's how you will be able to argue, right? But this is exactly where your behavior will get reflected. So when you have to disagree with somebody, what is the behavior you project? How do you disagree? Disagreements will always be there, right? It's not that you cannot disagree with somebody, you have to agree with everybody. Then obviously there is no discussion, right? So disagreement, when you disagree with somebody, it has to be put across very politely, right? And I keep reminding people again and again, if you read the definition of social adaptability, there are two very important words used. One is tactful and diplomacy, or tact and diplomacy. So when you want to negate somebody, when you want to counter somebody, when you want to dispute somebody's point of view, be that extra polite and tactful in saying that, I think, friend, I beg to differ with you. This is actually, I read it in, say, Times of India or this particular magazine. The percentage was this actually, and be very nice. My father, when I was young, he taught me one thing. When you have to say no to someone, you need to be extra polite, right? Basically, he taught me to be nice, diplomatic and tactful. Okay, so that's what you should follow. It is possible that somebody needs to be corrected because his fact is not right. So there's nothing wrong in correcting it. But the pitfall is, I've seen some candidates who focus more on correcting others rather than putting across his own point of view. I don't agree, I don't think what you're saying is right, I don't think this is true. So if you don't only focus on that, be a normal guy sitting in a discussion with friends, and how do we say, if you think, I don't think what you're saying is right. In fact, I read this article in so and so report, or this fact, this information, I read it here, and it said this is the thing. So be nice, be polite, so that he doesn't feel offended. And the intention is not to offend others. The intention is to politely, tactfully, diplomatically put across your point of view, put across your argument in a logical manner, supported by facts and figures. Right? I hope I have been able to convey or explain this to you. Thank you. Jai Hind.